Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video we're doing the 7 seconds challenge. But if you're new, welcome, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Name 6 makeup brands.
Makeup brand: MAC, L'Oreal, Fenty, shit, I got 3. Oh, I got 4, right? MAC, L'Oreal, Fenty. That's what I said.
Yeah.
You have 7 seconds to write your initials on your forehead. Go. 6, 5.
I wrote it.
Okay. Okay, she got it. Oh.
And I wrote it backwards for you guys. Okay.
You have 7 seconds to name 5 singers. Go. 7.
Rihanna,
6,
Beyonce,
5,
Christina
3,
Milian,
man. 1. Yes, Ciara, Carrie Hilson.
I know there's a lot of them, but in the 7 seconds goes by very fast.
Very fast.
Name 5 Disney shows.
Hannah Montana, Lizzie McGuire, I don't know. Yeah, you give me the hard ones. You have 7 seconds to say your name backwards. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know. Wait, what?
Wait, is it the first name or the? I was
Kimberly,
doing the last.
I said say your name backwards.
I was starting with my last name.
So wait, what would you just say?
No.
Well, why was you saying it so slow though?
Because I was trying to see it in my head so I could say the words backwards. I gotta say it like backwards, right? Like,
yeah, like from your last name to your first name.
You mean like Boston Kimberly?
Yeah.
I was doing it like the letters backwards.
No, it's a name. It's a name. Yeah. I don't think it says that.
I thought it was like
say your from the letters, like the
yeah,
letters.
backwards.
I don't know. It didn't say that. It's a name. Your name.
Oh, that's what I was trying to do.
No. See.
Because that would have been easy. Say 3 things you should never say at a wedding.
That's my husband. I want him. We had sex. I was making up stuff.
I wouldn't want to hear that at my wedding. Come on.
Name. You have 7 seconds to name 10 family members. Go. 7.
Jamie, Alex, Winifred, Colin, Leilani, Keelan.
Why does it not make sound? Oh, nothing at all. Okay.
Say 7 male actors.
Michael Healy, Denzel Washington, Samuel L. Jackson, Kevin Hart, Dwayne Johnson, shit, that was close. Damn.
You were very close.
I did 6.
No, I think you did 5.
Really? What it says?
You had 2 to go.
Really? I thought.
Yeah, because I was counting.
I thought it was 6.
No, you did 5.
We're gonna see. Oh yeah. Okay.
Sing the first few lines of the first Christmas song that comes to your mind.
And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas. That's a Christmas, Chris Brown version I was trying to sing. I'm not a singer, so don't cough for me. Let's see.
Name the colors of the rainbow.
Yellow, blue, red, orange. Yellow? Did I say yellow already?
Yeah.
Purple. That's another one?
I think you did.
I think I said yellow 2 times, but I was missing purple.
I think you did say all of them, yeah.
Okay. Alright. You have 7 seconds to name 5 restaurants. Go.
McDonald's, Burger King, White Castle, Wendy's, Chipotle.
That was fine.
Ask me how I got that one. I likes to eat.
What, that was 5 though? You named 5?
Yes, because I was counting on my fingers.
Okay. You have 7 seconds to name 4 foods that begin with the letter P.
Pumpkin pie, potatoes,
3, 1. My light is so bright.
I should know these things. Act like a jealous girlfriend for 7 seconds.
No, don't talk to her. I don't like her. Cut her off. Delete her. I don't like her. Delete her. Yeah. You have 7 seconds to name 7 continents.
Africa, Asia, South America, North America, Antarctica. Which one am I missing? Europe?
Yeah.
I was missing 2.
2?
Yeah, because I
So
said
Europe and
5.
So Europe and what?
Europe
So
and
Antarctica, Africa.
I said Antarctica, Africa, North America, South America, Asia. I was missing Europe and Australia.
Australia. Okay.
Say your name 20 times in 7 seconds.
Annika. Look, I was like Aniki.
So the
Annika,
sound
I'm trying to say. Because I'm putting it too damn fast. Oh man. Name 10 colors in 7 seconds.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, lavender, cream, white. How much I did?
I don't even know.
Cream, white. I did 9. Voice the thoughts of your pet or your favorite animal.
Girl, she was giving me the hard one.
This one is fun.
I don't have no animal. I don't have no favorite animal. I don't
Or
like
your
animals.
favorite animal.
I don't have no animal. I don't have no favorite animal. I don't like animals.
Hey.
I don't.
Imitate 3 cartoon characters and say their name.
Girl, stop.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
Really? Cartoon? I don't even watch cartoon.
You know Peter Ham, Peter Graham.
You got 7 seconds to name 3 states. Go.
Alabama, Georgia, California.
Why you say New York?
I don't know. Those were the first states that popped in my head for some reason.
Okay, she got it.
Say LOL 12 times.
LOL. Bro, okay. Yo. Okay. Name 5 brands of shoes. 7 seconds. Go.
Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger, UGG, Prada, Gucci. How much I said?
Oh, okay, 5. Okay.
List 5 things you wouldn't put in a burger.
Tomatoes, mustard, pickles. Oh wait, no, Jim?
No. You still had like 3 seconds left.
Okay. Name 5 games in 7 seconds.
Monopoly, Life, Jenga, Connect 4, Twister.
Okay, we got it.
Say hello in 4 different languages. That's easy.
Hola. Hi. Wagwan. No, that's what's up. It's the same thing, right?
Yeah.
Name 3 comedy movies in 7 seconds. Go.
Ace Ventura, Pet Detective, Hubie Halloween, and Chuck and Larry.
How many did It's supposed to be 3.
No, I said 2. And that was Chuck and Larry. Was
Ace-
supposed to be.
You said something before.
Ace Ventura, Pet Detective. It's one movie.
Yeah,
I never said for those are the first movies that popped in my head though. I don't know why. I should have just said Ace Ventura.
Comedy movies.
That is a comedy. You
I
never
know.
seen Ace Ventura? Jim Carrey? You never seen that?
Never saw that movie. It's not familiar though. It does.
It's hilarious.
I never saw it. I don't think I ever saw that. Is it old?
Yes.
How old?
From like when we were kids.
Well, I probably did see it when I was younger. It sounds familiar. Get that.
Name 3 songs that would be inappropriate at a funeral.
WAP, Rich Sex, and one of Chris Brown songs.
That's it.
I didn't get that one before I said it. I didn't say that one before.
You didn't say it.
I didn't say what?
You didn't say the last one.
I said one of Chris Brown songs.
No, you have to name the song.
And a Chris Brown song.
You have to name the song.
I said WAP, a Rich Sex, and what? And a Chris Brown song.
You have to say the name of the song.
It's at a funeral, right?
I think Fine China could be sung at a funeral. It's not.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, sure. No, what, like one of his sexual songs I'm talking about. Mm-hmm. Like he said,
Take it down.
yeah, down. Like who played at the funeral? That'd be so. Take you down at a funeral, Kimberly. Do you get it? I'm gonna take you down.
When I sang, I didn't mean it like that.
Okay, name 5 computer brands in 7 seconds. Go.
Microsoft, Apple, and I think Windows is the same as Microsoft. Dell.
Yeah, but
I got it already. I didn't get it.
I don't think you named that.
Did I get it?
That was the 5. You named like 3 of them.
Oh, it's 5.
Yes.
I thought it was 3.
I said 5.
Oh no, I'm thinking it was 3. Sorry. I thought it was 3. I saw you said name 3 brands. Okay, forget it.
In 7 seconds, say a full sentence backwards.
You love I. Ain't that a full sentence? People say
Okay. She got it. You got it. Okay.
In 7 seconds, describe the first Christmas present that you ever remember receiving.
Clothes. Clothes. I think clothes and shoes.
Okay.
In 7 seconds, name all of the colors that you are wearing. Go.
Gray, pink, green, blue, black,
2,
white.
1. Okay.
Name 5 names that you would never give to your daughter.
Monopoly, Liar, Francis, Ray. How much is it?
I think you said 4.
Yeah, that was close. I was making up stuff.
I said Monopoly. I wouldn't give my daughter that name either.
I thought it was like Carmex. Candle.
Candle. Alright, dang.
Candle?
No, it's not.
They're gonna make fun of her. Candle. Hey, Candle, when you want me to light you?
Okay. Name 5 TV shows.
Martin, King of Queens, Friends, Everybody Loves Raymond, and Everybody Is Chris. I got it. I'm hyped because I got this whole. I'm so hyped though. Okay. Ooh. Don't blink for 7 seconds. Hold on. The timer. Don't blink. No.
First of all, you started it too late.
No,
you started it too late. No, I've been not blinking. You started it way too late.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You said, "Oh, let me put the timer on." After I was already.
Oh, that's right. I looked back. I said the timer wasn't on.
I already had my eyes. You said, "All right, let me go put the timer." My eyes was been open 5 seconds before. Got my owl burning now. Trying to hold it over.
My stomach is killing me, yo. Oh my god. That was funny.
You know what? I won that one. My eyes been open.
Bro. Oh, your phone. Oh my god. That was so funny. I looked down at this I didn't see that it wasn't the time I wasn't going.
Okay, you ready? I won. I've been had my eyes open. Okay.
My stomach is killing me right now. List 3 foods in 7 seconds.
Mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, and lobster, grilled lobster. Name 5 cartoon characters.
5 cartoon characters. SpongeBob, Tom and Jerry, damn it, Rugrats. That's it.
First of all,
what was I wrong?
no, I stopped the time of early. I started it late.
And so the second, fight an invisible bad guy. You're not in the video. Come in the video. I'm not in the video.
I have to fight him over there. That's why. It's alright.
Okay, she got it. Oh man.
Name 7 electric products.
Electric products. Microwave, toaster, a blender,
Fins.
TV,
A ring light.
oh my god, 3. Ooh. This one after random scene from Romeo and Juliet.
Romeo, we're from out the Romeo. Name 2 TV providers.
Optimum and Verizon. I got that one. And that's only 2. I got there was 5. Yes, it's 5.
Name 5.
Name 5 words begin with Christmas.
Christmas movie, Christmas show, Christmas carol, Christmas tree, Christmas lights.
Okay.
Name 5 restaurants.
BBQ's, Applebee's, Red Lobster, Chick-fil-A, McDonald's. 7 seconds. Think of 5 words that begin with the letter V. Go.
Vagina, vase, Vaseline, VCR.
That was 5.
That was 4.
That was 4. Yeah. Okay, guys. This is the end of our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.